Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to change your region or country settings in Etsy so you can browse locally to products or internationally. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your application or browser of your choice. Now from there we are going to the official Etsy website, and from there sign into our account. Now from there we go to the top right corner where the flag appears. As you can see, I'm set to the Netherlands. Simply press in and here you can update your settings. Now here you find the region settings. You can use the drop down menu to choose whatever region you would like. Now let's say you want to change this to Brazil. As you can see right here, simply press Brazil and from there press save. Now what will happen, the region settings will change in the website, and as you can see, the settings disappeared. Now what if you want to change it again, or you simply can't find it anymore? Now what you can do is simply scroll all the way down till you see the left button of your screen. The same settings appear. Now simply press in and here you can change the region back to whatever you would like. Now let's say I'm from the Netherlands. Let's change it to the Netherlands, press save, and now the region settings appeared again right there. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.